Namaste and welcome to all the wonderful women out there. A very, very, very happy new year to all of you. And thank you for joining. Thank you for showing up at Vidhyan Healing. Vidhyan Healing is an organization which is catered for spiritual empowerment of all the 4.1 billion women on this earth. Through meditation, we will make it possible that all women get rightly spiritually empowered. So today we are going to discuss about this year 2026. So what are we going to discuss about? What is there to discuss about the upcoming year? Whenever we know what is lying ahead beforehand, we are prepared better and we execute things better, therefore we get the best results. So today we are going to discuss about what energies are there for us in this year. Like, if I know that tomorrow I have to attend a wedding, what will I do? I will plan my day in a way that I show up in the wedding on time. I plan things in a way that I present myself rightly in that celebration. And on the other hand, if I have a business meeting, I'll ensure that all the homework is done well a day before. I sleep well before. And next day, I wake up on time. I reach the venue on time and I show up and explain things in the meeting rightly as it has to be so that the clients are happy with what they are receiving. Similarly, the same formula applies even for the year. When we know what energies are lying ahead for us, we plan, execute, and perform better. So, what is this year all about? This year, 2026, is all about the energy of the sun. This year is going to be the year of sun. That means the Ra energy. So, what does the sun represents? The sun never represents stagnation. The sun always represents movement, visibility, leadership, and also action. Do you know that there are people on this earth who are highly ambitious and at the same time very lazy? Doesn't both these things look contradictory? But it is so. There are people who are very ambitious but at the same time are highly lazy. So, for these kind of people, this year will not work. Why? Laziness doesn't work this year. Sun's energy does not support any kind of delays, confusions, half decisions, or waiting endlessly. Have you seen any day where the sun has not shown up? Never, right? The sun always shows up. Whatever it is, the sun shows up. So, our energy this year should be in sync with the sun's energy. That means this year responds very well to the doers and not to the dreamers. Idea needs execution. Plans need movement. Inner clarity must be allowed by the outer steps. So, just having thoughts but not having actions will not work this year. You're very clear of what to do, but you're not doing it. It will not work this year. Because sun's energies demand actions, demand showing up. So, if you have ambition plus if you are lazy, what does that create? It creates an inner conflict. Waiting or wanting the growth, but avoiding actions, it creates huge energy contradictions. See, very simple. Ambition says move forward, and laziness says stay comfortable, right? So these things this year will not work. Yes, ambition may, which will make you forward, will work, but staying back comfortable will not work because the sun's energy exposes these contradictions. So, what happens? You will feel more irritated. You will feel like, results are not showing up. You will feel blocked, struck without a reason. So, see, it's very simple. If we are going to a nature place, what do we prefer? We prefer staying calm or we prefer going into a state of meditation. So we prefer not doing anything but just to witness and enjoy that nature elements. Similarly, when we are in the energy of a sun, what works is doing, 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 and doing. So, see, why laziness doesn't work this year is laziness here doesn't mean rest. Let me put this very clear to you. You're taking rest, yes, that is allowed. But if you're delaying things, that means if you're pushing the responsibilities away, you're not following a discipline, or in simple words, you're not putting consistent effort, then that doesn't work this year. Yes, you can go to picnics, you can go to nature spots, you can go for outing, you can go for trek, you can go for tours. Rest. Because still here you're taking an action. What doesn't work is not taking responsibility. If you are a person who has a dream for themselves, who has goals to be achieved, who wants to, you know, get something out of either their self or bring some revolution in the nation, community, or in the world, then this is a action oriented year. Those who resist this sun's energies this year will feel drained instead of feeling energized, and there won't be a reason for it. It is just that flow is happening here on this side and you are going on the opposite side. See, when the currents of a river, wherever it is flowing, if you're just with the water, you know, then the water will make you reach the destination because you're just with the currents of the water, with the flow of the water, and you will reach the destination. But if you try to swim opposite to the currents of water, what will happen? You cannot fight nature, first. Second, you feel overly exhaustive and you feel drained because sun's energies, if you're aligned, are very supportive, but if you're not aligned, it may also be very harsh on you. But when you're aligned with the energies, you feel very, very, very powerful. So, what are the things which you do? And these energies will support you. You start anything this year, it will be successful. You start showing up consistently. It could be on one habit, it could be on one trait, it could be on one project, could be on one work. Anything you show up consistently will beautifully come out. Anything you start taking ownership will absolutely work in your favor. If you start leading your own life, it will work in your favor. So remember, this year is not about perfection. This year is about movement. Okay, this year is about showing up. This year is about consistency. So every day, every small single action you take, it creates confidence. And that confidence attracts lot of support. So the right way to use sun's energy is not aggressive action, but aligned action. That means you don't have to take 10 steps or 100 steps in one day. That doesn't work this way. You have to take one step every day. Visible commitment every day. Be in a clear direction every day. That's it. Every small action of yours towards your goal activates that sun's energy within you. The sun doesn't ask for speed, it asks for movement. Have you ever seen the sun rising and falling, very quickly? Sun rising and setting very quickly? No. Morning 6 a.m. the sun rises, evening 6 p.m. slowly the sun sets. That means it is not about the speed, it is about the movement. And slow movement is also highly appreciated. So remember, 2026 will not reward just intentions alone. It will reward actions. Actions will only happen when there is right intention. But actions has to happen. This is not the year where you keep thinking, where you use too much of your mind, or this is not the year of emotions. This is a clear year of actions. Rest is allowed, laziness is not allowed. Waiting is not allowed. Taking action is allowed. Consistency is allowed. So, this year is about movement. So, just move. Just take action. Just be consistent. That's it. Thank you very much. And I will see you again in the next week.